ArchViz offers a virtual reality architectural simulation aimed at condominiums. This simulation helps users to select the desired unit, select options and upgrades, experience their selected unit, see the views, and much more in an immersive and one-to-one scale environment with an easy point-and-click interface. A complete automated file management system will ease the developer, designer, and sales team's work. ArchViz designed this simulation in-house, allowing for complete customization for each client's needs and vision. The possibilities are endless. Here are some of the preset tools and benefits. One of the major issues of pre-selling right now is that some people may misunderstand technical drawings and floor plans, or they have a hard time imagining the design based on drawings and renders. For example, is the neighboring building blocking their view or sunlight? With this simulation, the user is able to experiment and become immersed in the space. They can select their unit based on floor plan types, level, and the direction of the unit, or just view based on the unit number. Using the geolocation feature, the user can view the unit in the morning and evening sun, experience the view, and note the neighboring buildings. The users do not need to be in your office or showroom. They can run the simulation virtually from their home, therefore making long-distance sales very accessible and saving on travel time and cost. There is no need to have a full model unit anymore, as now each user can experience their exact unit with the desired options and selections in a realistic and immersive manner. Each user can choose the materials, options, and upgrades, view and integrate with them in their exact unit and real time. Based on each client's needs and selections provided, the various features in the unit will be available to select: flooring, paint color, millworks, countertops, appliances, fixtures, and hardware. The measuring system allows users to measure the floor space as well as clearance for accessibility. The photo tool allows real-time screenshots of the unit as they make their selections for documentation and sharing. The system is designed to be completely flexible for personalization and allows the client and user to completely visualize the built environment. Please contact us for more information on how you can benefit from ArchViz services.